Hi and welcome, it's Liel. Today we're doing 12-minute, no equipment, fat-burning standing abs workout to get rid of love handles, belly fat, muffin top, and side waist fat. We will fire up our obliques today, connect to our core, and also we are going to work on our heart. That would help us to burn fat. Standing abs workout is a really fun way to sculpt and tone your abs that you can do anytime and anywhere. If you are a mom, make sure you don't have Diastasis Recti before you do this workout. All right, nutrition is a huge factor to see better and faster results when you are working on your abs. Need help with nutrition? I got you covered. Grab my free 3-day nutrition plan in the description down below. Also, staying consistent with your daily exercises, even if it's only 10 minutes a day, it's another very important factor that will help you to achieve better and faster results, to look and feel great, be fit and healthy. I'm here to motivate you to move and create better and better version of yourself. So let's continue to support each other. I post fun and quick workouts every week and I don't want you to miss them out. So make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and let's begin. All right, let's do this. So today we've got 12 exercises. We're going to do 50 seconds of work and 10 seconds of break. Bring your feet hip distance apart, hands behind your head right away. Engage your core and connect to your breath. We're going elbow to knee crunch and then leg extension crunch. Switch side. Really focusing on crunching that side body. Move with your breath and with smile. It is way easier to move with a smile. Strong core engagement. Crunch it out. Crunch. Good job, rest. Feet wider than hip distance apart. Arms in front of you to chest height. Elbow to knee. Crunch and twist. Focus on the crunch. Really crunch it out. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Extend your arm, extend your leg, and let's go. One side only. Crunch, crunch, and crunch. Lift that knee higher. Engage your core at the same time. You can move faster, you can move slower. Find your own pace. Make sure you're moving with your breath, that you're able to breathe and talk. make a simple conversation. Notice the difference between your left and right side. Let's take it on the other side. Woohoo! And go. Are you sweating yet? How you feeling? Keep going. Crunch it out. Remember to smile. And last one. Rest. Oh yes. Jumping jacks next. Let's pump up that heart. Need to modify, step out, but keep going. Let your heart work. We must do cardio when we're trying to lose belly fat. You want to lose belly fat? Do more cardio. Core engaged. And 2, and 1. Rest. Need a water break? Press the pause, take a sip of water, and repeat. Alrighty, feet hip distance apart. Slide. When you slide, crunch. Focus on crunching and stretching. One side crunches, the other one stretches. Reach your fingertips down towards your heels. Then further away you go, then more effective the exercise becomes. Rest. Oblique rotation. So you're circling your arms around and slightly twisting your torso, only your torso. Slight oblique rotation. You're supposed to feel really, really good this in your obliques. Crunch, crunch, really crunch the tummy. Stretch, crunch, stretch, crunch. Lift that knee higher. Navel towards your lower back. Let's do this. Reach up, stretch your core. I know, I'm here with you. Keep going. Yes, you can. You are strong. Come on, only 20 seconds left. You can do anything for 20 seconds. Woo! Slow down, but keep going if you need. Woo! And 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake those legs out. Oh yes. Twisting punch. Twist. Twist your torso, not your hips. Keep going. You got this. Woo! Working those abs. Nice, flat, strong, sculpted tummy. Breathe in. Let it out. Okay. Interlock holding fingers. Chopping star. I call it that way. I really don't know what the name of this exercise. Around and crunch and crunch. Come on, we have one more left after this one and we're done. Good job. Pay attention. Next one is 2 parts. Feet hip distance apart. Let's go. You're sliding. Taking that arm overhead. Other side. Try to slide lower. Woo! So good. You got this. Come on. 20 seconds to go and we're done. So give yourself your all. Come on, one more on each side. You are amazing. Good job. Let's stretch out. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, hands to your heart. One more just like that. Inhale. Exhale. Make your way all the way down into a kneeling position and all the way down onto your tummy. Forearms parallel on the mat. Bring the chest through the upper arms. Relax your glutes. Take a breath in and out. From here, you're gonna press into your inner hands. Straighten the arms as much as you can. Let's stretch those abs. Breathe in and out. Lower the elbows down. Bring the hands underneath the shoulders. Upward facing dog. Tuck your toes under. Lift your knees. Lift your thighs. stretch that abdominal wall. Big inhale, big exhale. Lower the knees down, child's pose. Big toes to touch, knees out wide. Place your forehead on your mat. Relax. Slow down your breath. One more cycle of breath. Inhale. Exhale. Lift your gaze, roll yourself up. One more time. Inhale, reach the arms up to the sky. Exhale, hands to your heart. And big applause to yourself because you killed it. Good job. I'm dying to hear from you. Let me know. Did you break a sweat? I wish you could see my sweat through the camera. Did you like this workout? How are you feeling? Please let me know in the comments down below. I love connecting with you. I love reading your comments. Let me know where you're from. And would you be back to this workout one more time or maybe 10 times? And if you did like it, save it to your playlist and do it every day whenever you have 12 minutes available, maybe even while you cooking your dinner. Good job. All right, remember to grab your free 3-day meal plan so you can achieve better and faster results sculpting and toning your abs. Thank you so much for sweating with me today. From my heart to yours, God bless you, and I'll see you soon.